Hi guys doing? Well, there's no video.
The late adopter, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late adopter, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's
Hi guys, how you doing?
vitamin and painkiller. The late adopter, he's growing on ya. His lines are
Yo, man, long
insane,
time no
he's
see.
your
How you
crack
doing?
and dopamine dealer.
Damn GS, are you guys ready? By the way, stream is another video. We cannot actually show live stream, you know, but we can talk about streaming with the charts. So whatever works for you guys. Whatever works for you, but you know, I'm interested in seeing the exact moment, you know, that we become bullish. You know, that's the interesting part. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Go to this. There's the link to the there's the link to the, oh, I did not do that. I did not do that. Did my stream stop? I hope this stream didn't stop. I gotta double check if the stream stopped. Guys, is the stream still on? Because I clicked and then I went out of the thing. A lot of hype. Will it live up to date? We'll soon find out. Yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. 4 minutes and you know, 4 minutes left. Definitely excited about it. TLI is the Dodge Daddy time. I don't know, not yet. Soon, but not yet. It's nice pump though. I'm gonna give you guys that. It's nice pump. I love the new music. I hope it's not this one, because this isn't supposed to. Yeah, there is no music right now, right? I gotta double check, because you know, I don't want to get copy striked on this. Yeah, let's see like this over here. I don't think I have anything on right now. Let me see if I can change that. I can change it. There we go. Ciao brate, kaks. Love the new music, Yeah, it's nice. It's okay. It's, you know, it's not the best, but it's okay. Channel. There we go. I'm just gonna shield the link a little bit around. You know, if people wanna check it out. There we go. What do you guys think they will say? What do you guys think? Will this be the pump of the century? Like you know, Cathie. You know, I like her. You know, she you know, this is the event, right? We are talking about Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, and Cathie Wood. I like Cathie Wood. She seemed like a really intelligent, like human being. Elon Musk, you know, needs no introduction. And Jack, I don't like Jack that much, but you know, he owns Bitcoin, he believes in Bitcoin, so why not? I've been working 50 days straight because of the mini bear market. I hope it's a mini bear market. We can look at a little bit of Bitcoin. Still 1 minute, 2 minutes before we actually start with the stream, you know, and they start chatting around, so we can see what's actually happening here. This pump here is insane, but on the daily time frame, you can see that we are above the 10 moving average. But this isn't closed. This isn't closed now. It does look good, you know, but you know, we still got 5 minutes and 56 seconds left, you know. So until the candle closes, you know, nothing is actually nothing is confirmed or anything. But you know, it is a nice pump. It is a very nice pump. You know, it looks like it's gonna have a difficult time to drop. You know, this went up over here. It's really hard to believe that, you know, it can drop down here and continue down. It's really hard to believe that. So you know, maybe it is some kind of a bottoming down here that's actually happened right now trying to get above it. This is the 4-hourly chart, you know, and the 4-hourly chart, you know, it's very rare that we've been above the 200 moving average up here. So you know, if we get to that, that's gonna be you know, milestone. milestone for Bitcoin up there. So we're gonna see if it can actually manage to do that. Lol, have Cathie. Cathie has a bit too. I'll leave, hey, whatever spanks your monkey, right? Bitcoin mining council, maybe. Maybe we should put this over here so you guys can see it. So you guys can see what you're chatting about. The B word. Bitcoin as a tool for economic empowerment. By the way, guys, to follow the stream, go to the link in the link up here. Go to this link up here. You know, you can follow the video at the same time as we are following the video, right? But you know, I cannot show the video because of the copyright issues. Steve Lee. Will XRP stop moving with BTC anytime in the future? I don't think so. I hear 56 BTC mine is green. Yeah, that would do for Bitcoin. Oh, it's gonna be this kind of a stream. I thought they had like some you know, get together, you know, but because of the corona. There we go, Elon Musk. The guy, you know, CEO of Square and Twitter, has the worst performing leg. Now we are going to the moon. We're gonna follow the price, how it develops during the conference. It's green. Look at the pump, man. It's 1 minute chart, guys. It's 1 minute chart. So they're chatting about like how they heard about it, you know, what they how they got into it, you know, what they think about it. When does it finish so I can short? Can we technically create a new channel above the existing one? Yeah, the channels are all over the place from top to the bottom. If you start a live of the event, your YouTube account is gonna get terminated. Yeah, that's why I'm not showing the video. I'm just giving you the link down up so you can watch at the same time I'm watching it. He looks like he just woke up. Well, it's nothing negative so far. He always looks like that, yeah. Musk, yeah, right. Also, Cathie said good things. Yeah. It's gonna start good, but you know, then we'll see where the pitfalls are. Price is pumping. We can put a line. Line is better. He's a smoker. Grab off your skin. It's a 1 minute chart, man. Yeah, I mean, I agree with what he said about usability being crap, because nobody's actually using Bitcoin for anything else than trading it, you know, and store of value, you know. I think you call it, you know, depends on when you bought. This is the first time I hear his voice. Well, he was talking about Bitcoin usability. Price dropping. It's not dropping. We are still above where we started. Jack is always bullish though. Elon told it. Not quite sure what it is, man. Look at the spike. Look at the spike, guys. Look at it. It's a 1 minute, but let's see on the 5 minutes. What's happening, guys? What's happening? BTC loan 100x. What the fuck? Your beard is marriage material. Awesome, I appreciate it. WTF. TLA, the 1 hour RSI is over 90. It's crazy high. It will need to cool off. Maybe. This is unsustainable, so we're gonna see. 52,000 people watching the B word. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart, guys. It's a lot more exciting. What is up, TLF family from hot stormy Texas? Smash the like. Daniel, we were just watching the B word. Link in the description or link above. Don't ape into BTC, guys. Tia, do you think Cathie is single? It's a slight chance on that one. Hello people, hello man, hello Wolfman. What's up, Wolfman? Went for 32.30 real quick, yeah. Bitcoin is up right now at something like 9.7%, guys, for a day. This is pretty big pump for a Bitcoin. Just so you guys know, I'm not buying any Bitcoin or shorting or doing anything. I don't like volatility. I like to get to the levels that I want to buy at. Buy those levels. This is just crazy. The volatility is too, and now it's dumping a little bit. We're gonna see. SpaceX owns Bitcoin. Is that bullish? But it's the same guy, SpaceX or Tesla. It's the same guy, right? Audio, man. What about the audio? I don't know how it's hanging. It's good to be just watching the B word. We need a lot more coffee for this, lol. Charles, man. Feels like a fake cut. We'll see, man. But we started down here when the event starts, so we're gonna see how it actually develops. So she just said store of value is the only use case for Bitcoin, guys. Sell, 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 right? That means that you have to Ponzi other people into the market, actually push the price up if the store of value is the only use. So dump on this event. We don't know, man. We don't know. It's up 10% today, so you know, so it cannot go up to 20. Maybe it can. I don't know. Tesla, he personally spends and owns Bitcoin. Bullish. It means all in all, he owns more than 1.5 billion worth of cryptocurrency. Man, I made 12k just by longing. Best day ever. Nice. Yeah, we are watching the B word. It's right now live on the link in the chat. Check Elon's shirt. What is Elon's shirt, man? Oh yeah. If there are non-explosive news, it will dump for sure. But if they come up with some good news or a positive Elon tweet, it doesn't need to go down. I don't know, man. In bear market, you know, you're gonna need a lot of bullish news to actually push the price up. It's a bit overextended, 1 hour maybe. You highly doubt it will still be up when you wake up. I need more screens, guys. I need more screens. That's actually quite interesting thing. Elon will say dump BTC and buy Doge, so maybe Doge is gonna pump. Doge is already up like 21% right now. Let's see on daily. Yeah, Doge is up already, up to like 20% up to the resistance, 0.2 up here. So we're gonna see if it actually breaks that, or it's actually just gonna stop there. What's gonna happen? But look at this. This is super nice, guys. You know, the volume going up, the price is going up. This is a real pump, guys. On Doge, this is a real pump. Oh, guys. Oh, the dump has commenced, guys. The dump has commenced. Oh, look at where it started. We're going down. He's talking about second layer solutions. We've been hearing about second layer solutions for a while. Later, what a guy, what a channel. He might pump, but he doesn't dump, guys. He doesn't dump. That's a good thing. He's not pump and dumper. That's a good thing to hear, right? That's positive news. That's the new support. Hopefully, is the resistance. It's breaking diagonal resistance like on the 50-minute candles. Yeah, we're just gonna watch the 1-minute chart. It's a lot more interesting. What is happening to BTC? 28K is still valid. We'll see how much up or down it goes today. You know, watch tomorrow 9:30 Central European time, Bitcoin daily, and I'll tell you what's happening. So he believes in Ethereum as well then. It's pump because of B word. Yeah, pump and dump. Here we started pumping up and right now dumping down. Store of value and a bad comment of BTC. I'd rather hold BTC than gold and silver. Watch this at this fluctuating up and down like crazy. Yeah, people don't know whether they're gonna fall, you know, long or short. They don't know what to do right now. A lot of volume is kicking in now right now. He wants to slow down Bitcoin. No, he doesn't. 1-minute chart for you. 1-minute chart for the stream, man. Open both long and short. Elon seems like he just woke up. Yeah, we said that in the start. Like, he looks like he just woke up. Saying the BTC needs some boom. Yeah. So far there is nothing you know, nothing bullish, nothing bearish, nothing that we don't know. Moon Boys Wet Dream Conference, yeah. He says some weird things from time to time. I just don't get it where he gets it from. Form a descending triangle here, yeah. What time are you watching, my man? 1 minute, 1 minute chart. That's why it goes so fast, man. I think sell-off has started. Maybe sell-off started. There is bigger drop over here and here, man. $7.89% now. He has a weird sense of humor though. That's nice. I pressed the like button and my ass was not is a soapy turd. Arabic Cash, ABIC. Maybe that's something for you, man. What is going on with the Beatbird conference? Not much, they're just saying what I think about Bitcoin, but there is nothing actually of value that's coming out of here. SpaceX owns Bitcoin, beside that, nothing. Elon is making, you know, his jokes. Buying order on 32K. Well, we are below where it started the conference, so you know, that can be a good thing, right? I don't know. It's 1 minute chart, guys. Got a decent buck. Moonboy, Moonstone talks. B-word live stream pumped it a little, now it's going back down. Elon said Dodge is silly. So I won't say that, you know, Elon is actually, you know, super interested in Dodge, but he likes, you know, he looks at this like a funny thing, you know, if Dodge can actually surpass Bitcoin, that would be funny. So he's trying to make that happen because he thinks he can make it happen. But I don't know whether he actually thinks, you know, Dodge can be the currency or whatever, you know. The most important topic right now. Last time Elon went on SNL Dodge dump, so yeah, I don't know, guys. Yeah, we gotta get Elon to stop talking about Dodge. Yeah, now they're talking about energy. Hare Krishna, everybody. That is Hare Krishna guy. Hi, man. How you doing? I'm here finally for some notification. I don't get a notification when you go live. You gotta press, you know, the all button. You know, if you want to get notifications, you know, you gotta go to, you know, this is what I'm watching right now, but you gotta go down to, you know, subscribe. You gotta press this little icon over here, press that icon, and press this on top over here, all, and then you'll be getting all notifications, right? Then you'll be getting all notifications. Great, I bought the deep. Suppose hi TLA, hi, no, hi Dr. Recruit, how you doing? Then I got no clue why it's that, man. Maybe I'm being shadow banned. Maybe all the crypto channels are shadow banned. Sam, you don't show up in my subscription feed. How much percent was the pump? I don't know. 2% up. But he will also not sell Bitcoin. Yeah, because he didn't buy Bitcoin to gain anything from it. He bought it, you know, because he's interested in technology and stuff like that. So he's just gonna hodl it no matter what. And he's not gonna dump it on you, you know, so he's just gonna hodl forever. So nuclear power, guys, nuclear power. Love flocks, I'm not quite sure what you mean. Yeah, he said most likely Tesla will resume BTC. Yeah, it's gonna happen. Dump is loading. Here comes the dump. Luzanka, I'm not quite sure what you're doing, you know, but spamming, you know, not nice thing to do. Not nice thing to do. He said fusion, lol. They still haven't been able to make fusion happen, guys. They've been working on it forever, so. The sun is a natural fusion, yeah, but how are you gonna get energy from it? Yeah, solar cells, okay, I get it. There has been talk about using nuke power here in the USA for BTC mines relentlessly. Yeah, like I've heard of like atom energy is pretty safe to use nowadays, you know, but you know, everybody is still like no, because you know, it's unlimited free energy, so you cannot have that because you know, people that are actually doing, you know, the energy creating, they're gonna lose money. But then I don't know. Why are they building all these hydro power plants in China and all over the world if you know, nuclear power is so much better? Now with this everything that's happening in China right now with these you know, hydro power plants that are 3 power plants out of 22,000 has, you know, collapsed, but you know, most hasn't. But why did they build 22,000 power plants if atom energy, like nuclear energy, is better? So I don't know. What I miss, are we on the moon yet? Not quite. We're just where we started. Eventually we go out, but not right now. Elon said in future they'll accept BTC. The future. BTC New Texas oil. Now he's gonna start crying again. Bear market confirmed. So for the it's a dump. So for them it's a dump. We don't know, man. But there is not that many good news right now. Doesn't make sense. You source renewable energy, throw it at Bitcoin instead of a more efficient system and utilize it for better purpose. Maybe. I don't understand how, you know, entire the grid network works and, you know, how Bitcoin actually might benefit or not from it, you know, from the unused energy, but crazy amount of batteries. Yes, but when nuclei get radioactive waste, whereas hydro sea power doesn't cause problems. Yes, but radioactive waste, I think I watched some kind of documentary about radioactive waste that it can either be stored or reused or something like that. I don't know. Chernobyl still freaks people out, even though there are many who are not alive. Then Fukushima as well. When this place pop, it's ugly and dirty. Personally, I think... Yeah. Not that there is song time, no. Hello, are we waiting for that? Just came in, update me please. And we're just watching how the Bitcoin price will react on the event, the B-Word conference, right? And right now it had a pump, now went back to where it started, so I think people are still waiting for something, I don't know. Descending trend, that's how you call it. I won't call this anything, this is 1 minute chart, I really don't care what's happening right on the 1 minute chart. You gotta zoom out, but right now it's interesting watching 1 minute chart. ESG, what's that? Environmental social governance. I think I heard about this. Thank you very much for update. You're welcome. Do you reckon this is a buyer the rumor, sell the news thing? It pumped pretty high, you know, just before it actually started, so you know it might be. We don't know. We're gonna look at some tech analysis after the show. Good luck with the stream. I have to go to work again. Okay, Ralph, thanks for stopping by. See you around. TL gut feeling was not exactly on the dollar recently. Yeah, something's up down there. I feel nothing really interesting will be said. However, he says he's expecting BTC again, then boom. I don't think that's gonna be a boom. Ralph just hide in the restroom, man. Hit the like button, guys. 27k is still possible. I don't know, it pumped hard. We're gonna look at tech analysis after this. Elon Musk bought BTC, guys. Breaking news. Check everyone. Check where? Where am I gonna check that? Good day. Yeah, said don't long this morning. Yeah, I'm still on that. I'm still on that. Don't long. Call my boss to yell at him and tell him to quit when I saw that long green candle. Cathie looks good. Yeah, Cathie's fine. Now I gotta call him back. It took a week to go down by 2000, but it goes up 2k in a single 4-hourly time frame. Is this sort of bullish indicator? It might be. But it's more bearish than bullish, I think. Greetings later to Rob, Venice Island. Hi man, how you doing? How's Venice? So usually I'm talking about like uses for it. Yeah, a lot of prices are sticking down. I think so too. One Lambo. Teo, yeah, one Lambo, Teo. One Lambo. So technically we'll be just going sideways over here. Sideways, conference started, pump, dump, sideways. Now we're gonna see if if we're gonna continue going up or down. This is 1 minute chart. It really doesn't matter that much. 5 minute looks fine. 10 minute. 10 minute doesn't look fine. Hourly. Hourly looks fine, but we're sitting on 80 levels up here. Somebody said 90 levels, but it's 80 levels. 62 levels, so it's not a problem. Daily. Team Crab Market. Guys, Elon Musk bought BTC just right now. While he's sitting on a live stream, he bought BTC. We will break 32.5 today. Will we break 32? I don't know, maybe. We're gonna see what's happening. Dump if Elon bought BTC. RSI shows bearish. Abdallah, dump. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how this unfolds. I'm really interested to see once this S-coin should just get banned. It'll be a short-term bullishness right now. You think? Wow, Elon Musk just right now, 10 minutes ago, he bought BTC for. Yeah, we know that. Yeah, we saw that SpaceX bought Bitcoin. There he is, legit info. The whole purpose of BTC is that the institutions, government don't have a hand in it. Am I late? Nah, you just on time, man. What about Dodge? I hold 20k. Well, I hope Elon pumps your bags. You are a late adopter. You're a late aficionado. Good to be back. My short is hardcore red. Why didn't you get out to the short, man? If you're smart, never tell online how much coins you hold. Of course. That should be like 101 on any kind of financial thing. Just don't brag about coins you hold. Elon can pump my bags anytime. Just woke up. Have I missed the boat? It pumped a little bit. It came right back down. He must have a huge rocket. Okay, guys, chill with the comments. It's not that kind of a YouTube channel. I hold 3 USD. Okay, guys, hack this guy. Daniel Mans here holds 3. We're gonna hack him and steal his $3 because he's the big whale. Hello, bro. What is our support and resistance, sir? We're gonna do TA after the stream. You know, see what's happening. Greetings from Santo Domingo, DR, Iceland, and Caribbean. Thank you for always keeping us informed. I hope you come to Punta Cana soon. Regards. We'll see, man. Once the Corona, Carl the Moon backed on Twitter for Elon to pop the price. I don't know, Elon. Not your keys, not your coins. I know that he tweeted, but right now nothing is actually come out of this conference, and so far nothing of value has been said. So it's pretty boring, and if they haven't said it so far, the probability to say something, that okay, here at the end, we just bought 2 million of coins, as the longer this conference goes on, the lower and lower chance is actually some good news are going to come out of this. That's going to pump the price really, really hard. The best kind of pumpage came, the B word is going to have a conference. These three are going to be that's the pumpage. Right now, I'm seeing downside. Where's the popcorn? Love your stream, by the way. Thanks, man. Thought about pumping 5 minutes. Yeah. Zoom out monthly. Tila, did you buy? Not yet, man. Not yet. a rumor pump. They were too hopeful. Doctor called it last night on a stream, bro. Good job, man. Good job. Somebody is better to read the psychological movements on the charts before they happen, because they can sense the market sentiment a lot better. So TI calculator. Good job. Tila is waiting for 24K. There we go. We are officially now below the starting point of the conference. We pumped and right now it's dumping. 31.8, top was 32.8, so 1,000 points difference from the top to the bottom, almost 3%. Let's give it 3% down here, so just a nice number. There we go. Let's say 3%. Will be super bearish. 168 watching. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. Where's the 10K crew at now? Now we are ready for pump. Damn, Elon with his human mask sleeping. Thank you for getting information. Just recently found your channel. Much appreciated. Like pressed. Brett, appreciate it. Thanks, man. Where is Sailor? He isn't as important at us as Cathie and Elon. CK hypothesized that the bottom could be on July 31st at 26, according to fifth time indicator in the video today. Maybe he's gonna get it right. Sorry, 27. Yeah, maybe he's gonna be right. Maybe. You wanna try the fifth time? Do you like fibs? No, don't like fibs. CK, my favorite opium dealer. So basically, the entire conference has been yeah, we are doing this, we like it, but there is nothing of no bullish news, unfortunately, no bullish news. Dopium is the best hopium. I am pump aficionado. How about you? Aficionado, pump aficionado. I'm a bottom aficionado. Thought experiment. He isn't a moon aficionado yet. Well, it's a full moon. What do you say? Full moon is on 23rd. Tampa aficionado. Maybe the end they drop a bomb. Yeah, maybe in the end. When? Maybe in the end. I didn't get what Jack said right now. Little they're going over the time limit. There was a time limit. I thought this. Oh no, it is one. Because next part of the event is supposed to start now and hasn't. What's there are two parts of the event. What was the second part of the event? Ansel, please. Why it was happening to me? What's happening to you, man? What's happening to you? Dorsey makes me want to puke. Yeah, the guy is a little bit, you know. Supporting developer ecosystem is next part. Okay. So 10 minutes left then. So now that you know word aficionado, you can say Toro for bull and also for bear. I'm Toro aficionado. I'm also aficionado. Okay. Learning Spanish, guys. Learning Spanish. Love your work, dear. Like Ibrak. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Bam, bam, bam. The late adopter is live. I'm all in on 120x long. Everyone said Elon Moon it today. Twitter is going to accept Bitcoin. Did he just say that? Could be is the aficionado just mean addicted. Yeah, we got that. Yeah, we know. Didn't Apple buy BTC? I don't know. Why Cathie has no caps? Girl discrimination. It's because she's elegant. She's not vulgar like guys. She's elegant. She's, you know. I don't know why I pressed, but you know, it's not loading anymore. There's no live feed here. Junk! Welcome to TF Fans Club. Enjoy the green name and enjoy the emojis. Junk is part of the crew now, guys. La Familia. Welcome to La Familia di Aficionado. I hope you have a good time. Respect the members. Yeah, well, it's, you know, maybe euro is, you know, has inflation of 2%, but Bitcoin, you know, has a 50% drop. But not in the long run, right? We are just talking about, you know, short term, you know, but these guys, these are looking like 10-20 years span of Bitcoin. They're not thinking what's going to happen next year. They're thinking what's going to happen in 20 years. So they and us are different investors. just close my long. Thought I'd share the love. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Time short. I hope he goes down. My feet are getting wet and I don't want to get under the water anymore. The beauty, you had the short, man. They're just trying. You always have to, you know, figure out where the you know, your risk is, where the resistance are, what you are willing to sacrifice. If you are scared about your position and you haven't closed it yet, it means that you did not know where you're gonna close the position, so you are not doing it. You are doing it wrongly, man. You should never be emotional about your trades. If you are, you're doing something wrong. Do I see it? I'm holding. Junk, you are two-month member. Yeah, he was a member before. Well, his hope is peace. And with that, we end the B word. There have been, look at the dump, guys, look at the dump. I think people are like, oh man, no good news. Maybe it's gonna pump now, maybe it's gonna go in different, maybe everybody thinks it's gonna dump, now it's gonna go other way around. That's it, guys, that's it, that's the B word. What do you think about it, guys? What do you think about it? I don't know what I think about it. That was disappointing, to say the least. There was I don't know what's the purpose of the B word conference even, like was this meant to pump the price? Was it meant to do anything? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. What's the purpose of this? Why did they gather two of the biggest brains, Cathie and Elon, to talk about nothing? I don't get it. I don't get it. Maybe they pay them a lot of money. Hey, come chat with us for 1 hour and that's it. What did I tell you? Neutral. Yeah, I'm doing well, but still today was funky. Yeah, no good news equals bad news. Yeah, you might say that. If there is no good news, there is bad news. You should just diamond hand your TLI membership. Yeah, TLI membership is diamond hands. Guys, I got, when I started Patreon, the first time I started Patreon, I offered something called the early adopter for $1 per month, and now that $1 per month is still like 20 people. I opened like 100 spots for the early adopter on the Patreon, and only like 20 people accepted the offer, because I didn't make anything on Patreon, but right now the Patreon is at least 29 bucks a month, and the people that are early adopters still get the content for $1. So sometimes it does, if it's cheap enough, it does benefit being the early adopter. You're not just in the TF but in a lot of stuff, like always, news doesn't move the market, but every time you think the news moves the market, but the market moves the news. What moves the market is expectations of the news. What did move Cardano, guys? What did move Cardano? And that's expectations of Africa launches, expectations of apps are coming, expectations, because once you launch something, it's been said before, once you launch something, when it's out there, everybody gonna see how uneventful that is. In some cases it might actually live up to the expectation, but usually expectations build up so much and so big that there is literally no way anything can reach the expectation, and what happens then? It goes down. So expectations push the price up. We had expectations on the B Word conference, of course. There was a lot of people watching this, and now that the conference is done, what now? What's gonna happen now? The reason of the Bitcoin was to let me watch TLI stream. Yes, perception is everything, bro. Premium content right here. SpaceX holding BTC. I don't know. I didn't know that before. Well, whether it's a SpaceX or Tesla, it's the same guy. It's the same guy. If Apple does it, then it's differently. But it's the same guy. S conference F, especially with Bitcoin, there is a lot of euphoria. Crypto in general, yeah, it is. But euphoria and crypto and expectations, that's what moves the price. Future probability is what moves the price, not what's happening right now. If something happens right now, it's already priced in. But what can happen? You bet on what can happen, not what's happening right now. So people are betting on what can happen on B Word conference. And unfortunately not much happened. If somebody got something out of the conference that I didn't get, please tell me, because I didn't see anything eventful right there. We dumping. Hi, I'm from Mayapur. Hi man, how you doing? If it stays above 31, it's a beautiful day. It was overbought for 1 and 4 hours. We're gonna check the TA, guys. Today's closing will tell the real story. Yeah, today's closing, that's what I'm also looking. I'm looking at today's close, so we're gonna see how that actually plays out. Some people are saying biggest Bitcoin event. What a crap. Yeah. But it is big Bitcoin because Cathie and Elon did big names talking about Bitcoin for 1 hour. Unfortunately, it was meh. Look at 1 hour breaking rising wedge. We're gonna check that. Like you said, it's hard to pump in a bear market, man. Yeah, like this news, like doesn't matter what they say in a bull market. Everybody saw euphoric. The price just keeps on bumping. Everybody, yeah, we're gonna conquer the world, the full world adoption, But then in the bear market, everybody's like, let's go down a little bit more. So guys, it's been a good day. This is not a dump on the day, it's a dump with regards to the hype of the B Word. We are back in the resistance which we broke with conference. Okay, let's check the 1 hourly, how it actually went. Well, during the conference it went down. Let's see here, 1 minute chart, how much it went down actually. It went down something like 1.5%, right now down by 1% since the conference started. Over here it started pumped up 2%, down 1%, 1.5%. So totally we dumped, in total we dumped 3.75% during the conference. That's pretty legit dump, guys. That's pretty legit dump, but we recovered a little bit and stayed about 3%. But since the conference started here, since the conference started, we dumped something like 1% of something like that. 1% something like that. Yeah, I forgot to do one thing, but guys, let's check it over here. And there we go. Some background music, just you know, chill. This is after party right now. After party. There we go. I've shorted. I think they would have pumped it if the grayscale had dumped, but no need. Yeah, what's happening with the grayscale BTC? Shouldn't they dump the BTC? Everybody's talking about the grayscale will dump, you know, and suddenly they are not dumping. What's up? Dollar is dumping. Let's see the dollar. 0.26. Let's see daily. Oh yeah, dollar is dumping, but it's still above the line, guys. Still above the line. So maybe just going for a retest. Just going for a retest. So you can say the dumping. What we are looking for the dollar is this weekly time frame, guys. We are looking at the weekly time frame for the dollar. And we want to have a close above this neckline on the weekly, not on the daily. The weekly is important. It's trying to pump. It's trying to pump. BT is trying to pump. Maybe this. Maybe this. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart over here. It's trying, the word is trying. What? Logged into the after party from my spacious cubicle. We just watched the B Word conference event, which was very uneventful uneventful conference. So what are we gonna do now? Well, we're gonna check the price of Bitcoin. We're gonna check the price of Bitcoin. Hope a dollar does not find support there. Yeah, we hope that dollar doesn't find support on the neckline. I feel like a correlation between Bitcoin and dollar has broken down as of late. I haven't been actually checking the correlation exactly on the dollar, but I'm interested in whether it's gonna go up and down. So we're gonna keep on following the DXY, the dollar. I don't know. I could be wrong. Maybe it was a retest and now we go up. Maybe the volume of Bitcoin increased tremendously. Let's start. How are we gonna do this, guys? How are we gonna do this? What chart are we gonna use? Let's use Bitfinex chart. It's the same chart. So this was this over here was the event pump, and this is the event dump. And right now it started actually dumping down here, and this is after event. People are trying to figure out whether they want to go down or up, right? People are trying to figure out, but this is the event, and you know, it's, you know, pump and then all the way down, because nothing really happened. You know, if something happened, it might have gone something like this, right? But you know, that would be bullish. But this over here, it's not actually quite bullish. It's not quite bullish. So let's zoom out. Let's start a 5-minute chart and see what's happening on the 5-minute chart over here. Let's see how volume played out. You know, there was some volume up here. Definitely there was some volume. Falling down volume, not much interesting move. Let's see the moving averages up here on the 5-minute chart right now. Below, yeah, we're getting pushed down the 5-minute chart below the 100 moving, getting back to the 10 moving average. So it does look like something's gonna happen down here. There is no divergence up here on the 5 minutes, but there was on the 10 minutes. On the 10 minutes there was a divergence up here and we went down. That's fine, but right now that's correct, so everything is looking fine. Let's see 15-minute chart, you know, below the 10 and 20 moving average, holding the 50 moving average up here. Why is this line over here? How did I put this line? I don't know. And right now down here at 50 moving average, this is 50 moving, but you know, 30 minutes, just like let's see what's happening here. It's still an option, whatever the option is, right? But right now it is starting, you know, on this last part over here, there is on 30 minutes, there might be some kind of a divergence up here, right? There might be some kind of divergence, and that's why we maybe have a small dump to the downside, but it's still 30-minute chart. We're just watching what's happening on this small time frame. Now that we are on the 1 hourly, let's see on the 1 hourly, sitting here, we were up at the 98. Right now, going down to some kind of 67 levels on the RSI, but we are still above the 10 moving average, which is very bullish. Technically very bullish. There's no divergence in the price, so it is playing out as it should. above 200 moving average nicely, and right now getting support on 200 moving average. So this 200 moving average on the 1 hourly is actually holding, because we broke it up here, went down to the 200 moving average, which is nice. Everything looks fine. So the move to the upside is actually legit. And I've been watching also the volume has been increasing. You can see these big increases every time it pumps. You know, the more volume coming, now even more, but still it's a upward movement. Let's go to the 4 hourly time frame, and you'll see here that we had a big 38 minutes left to the close of this over here. This doji might be some kind of topping out pattern right now. This doji over here, 30 minutes sitting at 31.9. So we're gonna see if this actually falls below the 10-20 moving average down here. But the volume is like meh. I think volume looks nicer on some other charts over here. It looks like volume followed the price towards the upside. B-word conference up here. This is Coinbase, you know, so it was following the move to the upside. Right now you're having some kind of a big wick. Let's see on the this one over here. Let's get back and see right now above the 50 moving average. You know, today that when we were watching BTC and today chart, today Bitcoin daily, we were down here, right? And you know, we went above the 20 moving average, and I said this is not yet confirmed. But you know, when you go next candle up here and third candle up here, these 3 candles up here, they are pretty bullish. Doesn't matter whether this is pump for the pre-confs or not. You gotta accept it for what they are, and they are pretty bullish candles right now. And every time you go all the way. Right now we try to get to 100 moving average. Went a little bit down, so we're gonna see how this actually plays out. We don't want to start falling below down, and we definitely don't want to fall below the 20 moving average here, below 30,800 or something like that. There are other levels, but right now we did not, although we had this big pump up here, we still didn't close above these tops up here. Which is actually telling me if you don't close about on the 4 hourly above this close, if you get rejected here, technically it was just you know, a retest. It was just a retest, and look at that, it turned red right now, 7.12%. So we're gonna see this. Let's zoom in a little bit more on the daily chart, and on the daily chart you'll see that we went with the week up to 20 moving average, and 20 moving average on the daily has been immensely important for Bitcoin during this dump over here. I'll show you here on the Bitcoin how immensely important the 20 moving average is. This is a rejection. This is the, you know, getting above it, holding the 20 moving average. This dump over here, and we managed to stay above 20 moving average. You know how big party we had over here, big party, and then we went below it again, right up to the 20 moving average, try to break it, went down all the way up to there, and right now we are the same place we were before at the 20 moving average. 20 moving average on the daily chart has been holding us back for a very long time, and right now again the 20 moving average is holding us back. You can see this big wick over here. Now this candle is not closed yet. There's still 4 hours and 35 minutes 4 hours and 35 minutes left over here, but whether we close about 10 moving average, 20 moving average, how this actually plays out, you know, you don't want to close at least below down 30.8 like we said over here, because 30.8 means that you don't get this bullish engulfing candle, right? This is right now above this price over here, it's a bullish engulfing candle. Up here it's a bullish engulfing candle, even up here it's a bullish engulfing candle, but below here it's not a bullish engulfing candle, and it would be quite bearish if we drop the price all the way down to 30.8 or something like that. That would be terrible for price. Also on the 4 hour you said like this 20 moving average is actually at you know, 30.8 right now, and that's actually a level we do not want to fall below that. Right now we got this candle, 34 minutes left, and we got one more candle. So if the next candle falls below this price over here, I will be super bearish. That there is no other way to say it. Now if we manage to actually hold this level up here, 30.8 or something like that, you know, there is still hope, and you know, it might be some kind of bullishness kicking in. So let's see this a little bit more on the weekly chart, how this looks. And right now it's hard to tell. What's that? It's Wednesday. Yeah, it's still too early to call it right now, but it's making this doji candle up here on the weekly. Right now let's see where this 10 moving average is. Right over there. This is the 10 moving average. Let's put the price up. Yeah, you can see here that we are just barely above the 10 moving average. And if you go all the way up to the 20 moving average and we close below the 10 moving average, right, we are right now. Let's look at a 1 minute chart over here. 1 minute chart. If we close below this line over here, down here, it's not gonna be. It's not very uneventful. It's not the best thing in the world, guys. It's not the best thing in the world. Big week on the top side, big week on the top side. And let's go over here and look at our lines and how our lines are actually aligning with everything right now. So we're gonna remove this one over here, we're gonna remove 23rd line, and we're gonna see. So if you remember earlier today, we had a live stream every single day at 9:30. That's why you need to be subscribed and like the video, and you know, come to every single live stream at 9:30 Central European time to know this. We are down here today, and we are exactly on this line, below this line, or a little bit above the line, just above the 20 moving average close. And I said this is time to short, not the long. And you know, I'm still standing by what I said, because if you do that, you know, you're gonna be a lot happier person. You know, going long here, you could have made a lot of money, right? But you know, that's 1 day. That's 6.5% for 1 day. So day traders and stuff like that, they like this kind of stuff. But we that, you know, like to hodl for a month or so or more, or give or take a couple of weeks or whatever, we want to find some kind of button, some kind of, you know, top stuff like that. We are not delusional, hyperactive ADD, you know, gamblers. We don't like that. So you know, we are hitting the resistance, and right now we still don't have any confirmation that we are above the resistance over here. If we close above this level up here at 31.7 or something like that, that might actually be quite bullish, especially closing up here on the daily above 31.7, which we are below right now. You can see here, number one, this top over here is corresponds very nicely with the 10 moving average, and anything below that is not actually that bullish. It's a little bullish, but not that bullish, right? It's not that bullish, but you know, we take what we get right now. We take what we get. But down here, it was actually time to short, because you are hitting the resistance. It was probability to go down, but you have to know, once you short down here, you have to know, once you start breaking some kind of you know, levels on the upside, you got to get out. The beauty, this is a lesson for you right now. Okay, so if you short, doesn't matter where you short, you gotta know where your resistance or your tolerance level is. You already gotta know where you're gonna get out right now, right? So if this goes down and hits some kind of support up here and starts going up, you know, that's a long play. If you do a long play, you already have to know if the, you know, trade goes against you. This is for traders, not the hodlers, right? If the trade goes against you, where you're gonna exit the position. Doesn't matter if this is target down here or down here. You gotta know where you're gonna exit position, and you gotta do that. You cannot hope. There is no hope. You're gonna do a lot better if you stop hoping. That said, right now we are still waiting. On the 4 hourly, this looks actually quite good. On the 4 hourly, this looks quite good. You know, this might be just some kind of a pullback back to the 50 moving average down here, but if you start closing below the 50 moving average, I would start getting worried. I think that would be the first indication for me, if you start getting below the 50 moving average on the 4 hour. The 50 moving average is somewhere around 31,500. If you close below that right now in 30 minutes or something like that, I would take that's a big no-no sign. This can go next time, doesn't matter. You don't want to go below the 50 moving average up here. It might go down here, but then the next line is 20 moving average. So if you want to keep any kind of hopium for tomorrow, we don't want to fall below 20 moving average. We can still fall below 50, but you know, 20. But you know, the first signs of some kind of bearishness is falling below the 50 moving average down here. Right now, you know, if you start doing that, you know, you're gonna fall below the 200 moving average on the 1 hourly as well down here. 1 hour rising wedge, what do you think? Let's see. Yeah, I seen people talking about 1 hour rising wedge. Let's remove the, let's look at it on another chart over here. Yeah, let's we can remove this. We know where everything is. Let's go to 1 hourly. 1 hourly, it does look a little bit junky. I don't know if this is a rising wedge. Maybe we should, yeah, because we don't have enough information for this. Yeah, it looks like some kind of rising wedge though. It's not perfect rising wedge, you know, but it's something, it's something. Either way, it looks like it's already broken the downside. Now the rising wedge should have something like... I don't like to measure where the rising wedge started over here. But we're gonna do all of the measures, right? So it's only 31.2 or something like that. That's the worst case scenario, right? On the wedge, just on the wedge. And that's like 31.6 or something like that. But we are already there right now. So, you know, maybe the wedge, you know, might have a little bit dump here before it actually finish. It's really narrow or wedge. It's on 30-minute chart, so you know, don't take it too seriously. Don't take it too seriously. That's the problem. Small charts, you know, don't take this. Yeah, I know. This 5-minute stick is bearing me down. We go again. 5 minutes is bearing down. Let's see over here. Yeah, it looks like maybe there is some kind of falling wedge down here. You know, you explore the possibilities on the 5-minute chart. Why not? Yeah, this broke to the upside right now, you know, going for a retest, and it's gonna, I don't know. It's a 5-minute chart, guys. Why do we care about 5-minute charts? You go to the bathroom, you come back and it's over. You go to the bathroom, come back, it's over. As a professional billionaire trader, new moon is the only indicator I use. 2 more days, man, 2 more days, and we're gonna all be rich. I need more paychecks before the next bull run. You have time, man, you have time. Hair ribbons, buy indicator, your thoughts. Yeah, let's check the hair ribbons. Somebody should call it Heshi Ribonos. Heshi Ribonos. Heshi ribbons. Okay, let's see Heshi ribbons. There we go. What F is this, man? Okay, you gotta give me a quick like how to use this crap. This is buy signal, this is a sell signal, like you lost money over here. This is a buy signal, this is a sell signal, you lost money there. This is a buy signal, this is a sell. No, here's buy signal. Okay, so you buy over here. Okay, you buy here, you buy here. There is no buy signals. Capitulation. Capitulation. Okay, there is capitulation. This is capitulation. This is big capitulation. They're all kind of capitulation. This is capitulation. How can you say this is capitulation, man? I don't know, but there is no blue dot. We don't see any. Let's see previously. Let's see this on the BLX. How did we do here? Let's look at it in weekly. Maybe weekly is better. Oh, that many. So buy, sure, nice. Buy. Buy over here, sure, buy. Buy over here, buy. Buy over here, buy. Sure, nice. Everything nice. Buy over here, sure, very nice. Buy, buy, buy. Buy, buy, buy. Buy, 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 buy. Yeah, it's nice in here. Buy, 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 buy. But where is the sell signal? Where is the sell signal? Or are you just buying? You're just buying all the time. Buy, 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 buy. No sell signals, guys. No sell signal. Only buy signals. Hey, Shubans. Guys, do you hear any music at all? One Machu cipher indicator, have you tried it? No, I don't do indicators. Buy, buy, buy. Buy, buy. It's a perma-bull indicator, yeah. We shorted the top and it's in green now. Buy the rumors, sell the news. Yeah, I can hear the music, yes. Yeah, so loud, yeah. I don't know, maybe you should put like something down here. Do you use Gaussian channel? No, I don't. I don't like Gaussian channel. I tried it once, but you know, I don't see it fit, you know. I'm doing just fine with all indicators, you know. It looks simplistic, you know, but that's hear the drums loud and clear. So yeah, there are definitely things that needs to happen. I'm still not bullish, guys. I'm still not bullish. Although it's a very nice candle. It's a very, very, very nice daily candle up here. Very nice daily candle. but unfortunately it's not finished candle, so we're gonna see what's actually gonna happen with this candle up here. So whether we're gonna close below this level down here, below this, you know, are we gonna go up, are we gonna go up above us, 32,259, are we gonna go up to tomorrow, what's gonna happen up here, you know. The bullish engulfing is definitely very nice, but you know, whether we're gonna actually, you know, close above that, or we're gonna, you know, drop down back down here to 30 before in the next 4 hours, nobody knows, because things happen pretty fast in Bitcoin, right? Will you DP any more live trading lives? Not sure what you said there. Will you DP any more live trading lives? It's quite hard to understand what you said there, man. So yeah, let's see how is Matic doing. 23% was up, like something like 50. This one also, it's playing you know, Matic is right now playing, it's just playing too fast. I was actually thinking that it's gonna take a little while before it hits 20 moving average, but it did hit 20 moving average. So now we're expecting this part over here, you know, but it doesn't actually play the way I write it. It just goes a little bit faster, but you know. The effects of these events also indicate bear bull market. Yeah, like 3 very popular big people with millions and millions of people, you know, followers, come together, talk about BTC and say nothing, which will be bullish in a bull market. And right now the price is dropping, so you know, you figure out. Play the intro for me, please, brother. I'm late to the party. Bam! The late adopter. I think he's asking, will you stream any live trades? I did stream once because, you know, I want to try the, you know, 20 and 50x leverage trades, you know, on Bybit and stuff like that. That didn't go out well. You know, I don't like day trading. It's too emotional. You know, it's too hard to figure out in a small time, in a small frame, you know, which exact direction the price will go. Because oftentimes you can figure out, like over here we should get some kind of bounce, for example, right? And you know, and you see all the bearishness, but before you get to, you know, that, you know, the price might actually move against you and then go down, So you don't know exactly the moment it will actually turn. Sometimes you can figure out the exact moment on the dollar and whatever, right? But it's a lot harder than people think, right? So you know that, you know, even this, if you look on a weekly time frame, you know that, okay, now right now we hit this 20 moving average, eventually we should go down, but when the down is gonna happen, right? And when you day trade, you don't have time to wait for that, so you know, you go down to the like 10-minute charts and try to figure out where to go, 1 hourly charts, stuff like that, and you think that it's gonna go up and down, and try to do that with higher leverage, and then you mess up, right? So I didn't like that. I didn't like 20 or 50x long shorts. So 4 hourly, 20 minutes to the close. I don't know if you're gonna wait for the close. 1 hour, 20 minutes for the close. You're gonna close below 10 moving average. We're gonna see that. Yeah, uneventful moments right now. Uneventful moments. Let's see 1 hourly, 1 minute chart over here. Bearish. No. This is going into some kind of triangle. Yeah, this is going into some kind of triangle. It's a 1 minute chart. It's like 20 minutes left. It's gonna happen soon. Guys, there you go. While we wrap things up, watch 1 minute chart and tell me how this plays out, okay? This triangle over here. Which direction are we gonna go? Remember when we had that 42k pump, I was calling a bull trap, but you called me a bear and told me to get out. Who's the bear now? Me. I'm the bear. It happens, man. It happens. Things change. You are bull until you're a bull, and then you are bear. The events indicate the bear market. Didn't you say something like that earlier on today? On today, TLA. Do you intraday trade? No, I don't do that. You know, buy and hodl for a while and then sell. Conditional orders take the stress out of it for me. Hey, but what do you think we gonna dump again? I don't know. I think, you know, we're gonna wait for the daily close. We're gonna see that. We're gonna wait for a couple of more 4 hourly close, because the bullishness is starting to pick up, you know. But this B word conference was actually quite a mood killer. It was a mood killer. The way I see it was a mood killer. So I don't know. BTC ser fortsatt sykt bearish ut, skjønner ikke at folk er bullish etter en 10% pump. Yeah, it happens, man. I seen the pump, you know, I seen a lot of people FOMOing in, you know, and then what am I gonna say, like, we still didn't get any kind of bullishness on the charts. It still looks very bearish. If you don't draw arrows, then it won't pump. Okay, guys, okay. There you go. And a small chance to the downside, right? Big chance to the upside, small chance to the downside, right? No, I think it's the opposite, but whatever. Yes, I think the Bitcoin was for us a bit neutral to bearish for the short term. Yeah, it was kinda, you know. Don't buy into this pump governance books every day. Crosshair on stablecoin. Tether blow up will have paved the way for the Fed coin. Turns out B stands for boring. Yeah, it was quite a boring conference. I hate day trading, feel on the edge all day. Yeah, it just kills you, it just kills you, like. Hi Tila, how are you? Can we see the moon phases? Moon phases, like today's 21st, you need to two more days to moon phases, man. 2 more days. I don't want to pick it up now. We are at the end of the show, we are at the end of the show. I don't want to pick it up. I was thinking about live trading streams for you to do with money from Super Chat as a way to educate your audience. I think that would be cool. What am I gonna do? Have like one stream every 2 months or something like that when I actually put money into something? Because if I do day trading, like likelihood is, you know, that I'm not gonna do well. Like, who's that gonna help? Have you seen anything on Ethereum? It seems to be following BTC. Where should I go long, sir? And where should the resistance will be? Well, I would go long on 28 or 24 or 26 or 28k, but unfortunately we never got there. We got to 25.9 before it pumped. I don't know if it was because of the B word conference or whatever, but right now it is showing signs of bullishness, but we are not there yet. It shows signs of bullishness, but we are not there yet, right? So we're gonna see tomorrow if we're gonna get some kind of retest here on the line, if we're gonna get back into this channel up here. There's a channel up here, so we're gonna see if we're gonna get back into this channel up here or not, right? And continue going up, but you know, everything depends on what's happening in the next 4 to 5 hours and tomorrow morning. So, you know, it's gonna be interesting times. It's definitely gonna be interesting night to see what's gonna happen. This is breaking out too much early on the downside. Maybe the lines are wrong. Maybe the lines are wrong. No, the lines are never wrong, man. Yeah, let's call it like this. We'll give it the most chance that we can give it. I guess you could do it on a demo account. It's not the problem with account, the problem is with day trading. You know, it's too hard to call what's gonna happen. It's easy to call long-term trades, you know, bullishness to the downside, bullishness to the upside, but intraday and stuff like that, it's really hard to call. Don't change the formula, Tiela, it's perfect as this. How bullish you are, Doctor? Well, I'm semi-bullish. I think we need to go down, but you know, it's going up, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go against the stream. Right now there is no need to be bullish. Like, it's nice pump, but you know, it's not a big thing right now. Can you check it daily? It's looking so bullish. Wait for Sydney and Tokyo session. Stock market. Thank you for your support. I think the pop is because the stock market saw a little recovery and BTC seems to follow it more and more these days. Yeah, what happened, by the way, with the Dow Jones index? 0.77 today on the day. It is recovering a little bit, and there seems to be forming some kind of a interesting pattern over here. Looks like it's but this is divergence up here. This is the divergence, but this is daily. Let's go to the weekly and see if there's divergence. There's divergence on the weekly time frame up here, guys. There is definitely divergence on the weekly time frame over here. on Dow Jones index, you know, but you know, sometimes if something is bullish, you know, it just continues going up. So you can have several divergences up here. So never say never, never say never. We might create something out here and then drop to the downside. So we're gonna see what's happening, but there is definitely divergence over here. Right now there is divergence, you know, we did the fall down. Look here, we started up here, then we opened here, went down and went all the way up here. The gap, man, the gap was insane though. See? Yeah, let's see the moving averages up here on this bad boy. Holding this 20 moving average. Once we fall through the 20 moving average on the weekly time frame, I think that's gonna be it once we break the 20 moving average, I think that's gonna be it for the run up. So I'm looking for this 20 moving average to break on the Dow Jones index. This 20 moving average. Once we close below that and cannot get back up again, I think that's gonna, you know, crash to the downside. So we're gonna see that double top, yeah, double top, triple top, cold, you know, there is a lot of tops over here. 1, 2, 3, you know, 3 tops, divergence. This 10 moving average going into the 20 moving average. This looks like it's following some kind of zigzag pattern down here, you know, some kind of rising wedge, just like Bitcoin. It might actually fall down. It might actually fall down, guys. I have a little bit FOMO, but waiting for better price. Enjoy the ride, cheers. Okay guys, thanks for stopping by. I think you need to update 1 minute lines again. What happened, man? What happened? Let's go down here. What happened? 1 minute. No, I don't, man. Lines are fine. Okay, let's update the lines, guys. Let's update the lines. No, maybe we fell down through it. It's a bad line. I don't know. It's a 1 minute chart. What are you gonna do? Looking forward to the moon stream on 23rd. Yeah, we gotta have the moon stream. That's gonna be epic. The Butin, thanks for the bucks. I appreciate it. Everybody, thanks for stopping by. Come back tomorrow 9:30 Central European time to see what's actually happening with Bitcoin, guys. It's very important that you come tomorrow 9:30 on the dollar to see what's happening tomorrow, because tomorrow is gonna be the day that we might actually get some kind of bullishness or bearishness up here. What we want to see tomorrow is whether this price over here actually closes at any kind of decent level or not, right? We want to see some kind of closes above this level at 31.7 or something like that. We want to see some closes above 32.2. We don't want to see some closes below the 10 moving average, the white line down here, and so forth, right? So tomorrow at 9:30 Central European time on the dollar, as always, be there sharp on the dollar every single day, and tomorrow is gonna be there, and tomorrow is gonna be very, very exciting, a very, very important day to actually be on the stream and watch the price and what's actually doing. Anyways, guys, enjoy the day, you know, enjoy the uneventful B word happening, you know, go chat with other people about it. Don't overtrade, don't do anything stupid. Everybody, all the TFNs members, thanks for stopping by. Everybody else, thanks for stopping by. And everybody else, notifications, like button on the way up, subscription, hit all of that jabang. And now we can do the song, guys. We can do the song. Incredible TA.
The late doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin and painkiller. The late doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin and painkiller.
There we go, guys. Stop up is there. See you around. Come back tomorrow, 9:30.